Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mukesh English. In this video, we are going to analyze Sachin Tendulkar's farewell speech delivered in 2013 about his life between 22 yards and 24 years of his cricket career. This is one of the most important motivational speeches. Now, as the 62,000 fans cramming inside Mumbai's Wankhede Stadium shouted Sachin, Sachin for a long, they sat in silence with tears streaming down with the cheeks as Sachin Tendulkar read out his farewell speech. Standing among the players, Sachin's wife Anjali, she was also seen weeping. The die-hard, expendable fans could not hide their tears when the master was thanking from the center of the Wankhede Stadium after his last performance. He started with his late father and went on to thank in such a brilliant order, covering his parents to family, in-laws, friends, gurus, people on the field, off the field, that one can never debate if he had missed anyone. The perfectionist, the finisher, the legend may not return to the field again, but even in his last speech, he taught us a few lessons. So in this video, we are going to analyze, we are going to learn what we are going to know that what can we learn from Sachin Tendulkar's farewell speech. First and foremost, he says retirement is inevitable. He said, my life between 22 yards for 24 years, it is hard to believe that wonderful journey has come to an end. So, what is the message? The message for you retirement is inevitable is like a gymnast retire at the age of 18, athletes at the age of 25, other sportsmen at the age of 35. You may be at the age of 55 or 60. Only politicians never retire, so they don't have to worry about money after retirement, but you are not that lucky. You should always remember that you have to save and invest enough for your golden years. So we are going to derive a message from his statements. Second thing which he reflects here, he says, do not find shortcuts. So what Sachin says here, Sachin said, my father gave me freedom at the age of 11 and told me that I should chase my dreams, but make sure you do not find shortcuts. The path might be difficult, but don't give up. So what you will learn? That there is a message for us. There are no shortcuts to success. You have to really work hard to achieve your dreams. Avoid get rich quick schemes. Whenever you think about shortcuts in investments, think of snakes in the ladders game. The third key point from his speech we find here, coach can play important role. Sachin says that, and it all started from the age of 11 when Ajit, his brother, took him to Archraker. Archraker, sir, my coach. From there on, my life changed. Sir has never ever said, well played. His coach never told him that, well played, Sachin. No, he didn't say. He has never said, well played to me because he thought I would get complacent and I would stop working hard. I'll take it as a compliment and I'll stop working hard. He also thanked other coaches. So, what is the message? There's a message for all the readers here. Why God of cricket need a coach? He was talented and luck in his favor when injuries occurred, but why an advisor, coach, advisor is someone who can give advice based on his experience, keep your head cool, and can take decisions without emotional impact. The fourth key point from Sachin's speech we find here, behind every successful man, there's a woman. So, what does Sachin say? Sachin said Anjali, his wife. Anjali took the initiative to step back and say that you continue with your cricket and I will take the responsibility of family. Without that, I don't think I would have been able to play cricket freely and without stress. So now what's the message for all the readers? If your spouse is homemaker, that doesn't mean she's not contributing to your financial success. She is. She needs big appreciation for that, even if she's not interested in managing finances. Make sure she participates in setting goals, and her goals should get higher priority than your personal goals. The fifth key point, which we perceive by reading, by hearing or listening, Mr. Sachin's farewell speech is here: have balance in your life. Sachin said, time has flown by. I wanted to spend so much time with them, with my kids on special occasions like the birthdays, the annual days, the sports days, going on holidays, whatever. I have missed out all those things. So, what's the lesson for us? This is regret. Before starting financial planning process for your clients, we conduct couple of life planning exercises in a life. And one thing that is common in every case is they're not able to give quality time to family. Time is flying. So we should give time to our family. That is a message by Mr. Sachin. The sixth one, the most important message by Sachin is here: being healthy. He said, I would be failing in my duties if I did not thank all the doctors, the physios, the trainers who have put this difficult body together to go back on the field and be able to play. So a big thank you to all the three of you for keeping me in good shape. What's a message for us? There's a message. Managing stress free life is not just making good investments and buying Mediclaim or the term insurance. You have to keep yourself and abreast on daily basis, keeping a healthy diet, exercises, managing stress-free work life, regular medical checkups are few things which one must follow. Life is not a 100-meter race where you put your best in the first 25 meters. It is a marathon with a lot of laps, and you need to keep replenishing yourself to see yourself as a winner. That's a message from this keynote. Bigger purpose, the seventh one, the last key point which we find out from Sachin Tendulkar's farewell speech is here: bigger purpose. He said, I had a brief message for the team. I would like to repeat that. I just feel that all of us are so fortunate and proud to be part of the Indian cricket team and serving the nation. That purpose we should have. So, what's the message for us? Try and figure out the bigger picture and make the best of what you have. Feel and appreciate what you are part of. In finance, your family well-being can be your salvation. So try to achieve it without accumulating tensions. This will not only ensure success but give you the all elusive satisfaction which we all seek, albeit unconsciously. And once you achieve your goals, try to do something for society. So this is how in this video I have tried to analyze the speech, and I have tried to derive that what can we learn from Sachin Tendulkar's farewell speech. Now, apart from the final thanksgiving speech, one thing which Sachin has repeated again and again in his interviews is that having idols in life is important, but our own individuality needs to be nurtured. He was a great fan of Gavaskar, Richards, but he does not mirror any of them. He had the stability of Gavaskar and attack of Richards. He came to cricket when new forms of the game like one days and the T20s were flourishing. He adapted to those styles and in fact introduced few shots which millions of fans would remember forever. Sachin gives us the motivation and focus for sure, but ultimately we also need to use our own judgments when the moment arises. So whether whether it's choosing an investment, there's a spelling error. So whether it's choosing an investment or a job, we need to access our strengths and opportunities and situation, then do what is best suited for us. This is what we learn from Sachin's farewell speech. So let's try to find out the key to success for Sachin. What was the key for success for Sachin after listening and reading the speech? First one, guidance and inspiration from his father. Second, prayers and blessings from his mother. Third, love and care like son from uncle and aunt. Fourth, encouragement and confidence of elder brother Nitin. Next, immense love of sister, sacrifice of his brother Ajit, support and help of his wife Anjali in ups and downs, understanding of son and daughter, his children, guidance and advice of his in laws, round the clock, the help from his friends, enough match practice under the master guidance of his coach, special efforts of doctors to keep Sachin fit and fine, inspiration from senior cricket players, support and appreciation of performances through media, endless support of fans, irrespective of the runs scored. So this is what we find. These are the findings from the speech of Sachin Tendulkar saying goodbye or adieu to the match, taking retirement. But we can never forget his work. He's still the legend. He's still the god of cricket as far as the Indians or the international cricket fan po- cricket fans point of view. Thank you so much for listening. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. You can reach me at mukeshenglish@gmail.com. Please do subscribe the channel, click on the like button for more videos on literature, workbook, pronunciation, grammar, communication skills, presentation skills, interview skills. Stay in tune with Mukesh English. Thank you once again.